Today, we're excited to take a dive into the rich history and timeless allure of the Jaguar E-Type and the people that bring these classics back to life here at E.C.D. One of these people is Mack Besser, who started our E-Type program a little over a year ago, but also has a long and illustrious history of building, maintaining and racing these beauties for most of his career. These iconic classics have captured the hearts of automotive enthusiasts for generations. As a founding owner of E.C.D Automotive Design, it's my pleasure to take you on this little trip back in time and show you why we're so proud to add this stunning icon to our lineup. The Jaguar E-Type, introduced over half a century ago, was more than just a car. It was a sensation. Breathtaking design, crafted by the legendary Malcolm Sawyer, it was a symphony of curves that seemed to defy the laws of physics. From its long, sleek hood to its distinctive oval grille and iconic headlights, every detail was meticulously sculpted to perfection. It was quite simply automotive art at its finest. But it wasn't just about looks. The Jaguar E-Type backed up its stunning design with blistering performance at the time that left its rivals in the dust. The powerful inline-six engine, derived from the legendary D-Type, delivered exhilarating acceleration and top speeds that pushed the boundaries of what was possible on the open road at that time. Add to that a race-inspired chassis, advanced independent suspension and disc brakes all round, and you had a car that not only looked the part but handled like a dream. It's no wonder then that the Jaguar E-Type quickly became the car of choice for celebrities, racing legends and car enthusiasts alike. From Frank Sinatra to Enzo Ferrari himself, the E-Type's appeal captured the imagination of an entire generation.
Hello, my name is Mack Besser. It's been my privilege to be involved in the world of vintage Jaguars, primarily E-Types, for well over 50 years. And before I raced them, I repaired them and restored them. E.C.D Automotive Design, we're actually going to improve these wonderful cars that Enzo Ferrari himself said is the most beautiful car shape he's ever seen. First time I ever saw an E-Type, my father was an HVAC contractor. He took me to a call at a home locally that happened to be the home of my high school principal, which I'd be starting high school in a month. Mr. Morrison took me out to his garage. He said, "We're going to show you something." There in the garage was a brand new 1963 silver blue E-Type Roadster. I'd never seen anything so elegant and so well designed and so just beautiful. I was hooked. Told my dad on the way home, "I'm going to get one of these one day," and he just kind of smiled and laughed. And about 8 years later, I found my own very early 61 E-Type, and I bought it, and the story begins. I've raced all over tracks, mostly in the Midwest. The iconic Road America little track 4 miles around one time. Grattan International Raceways up by Grand Rapids, Michigan, and our local driver's education track, Blackhawk, which is outside of Rockford, Illinois. Now here's a picture of one of my very early excursions on Road America. You notice I was still running bumpers and standard wheels, and this is coming out of the pits at the main straightaway at Road America. I've raced with some very famous people, Augie Pass, Sterling Moss. My most memorable event is at the Chicago Historic Races at Road America. It was memorable for the fact that I didn't crash because I was sandwiched between two Ferraris, a short wheelbase Berlinetta and a 250 GTO heading into turn 1 at Road America, and they were a little too fast for me, and I did a 360 right in front of one and in back of the other, and fortunately I could gather up and chase them again, but we were so evenly matched I never caught those guys. So it was exciting. So it was about the camaraderie and the food and the after parties. It was quite a wonderful time. I was also the chief scrutineer at Chicago Historic Races every year at Road America, and for local and national events as well for the Vintage Sports Car Drivers Association out of Chicago. We inspected 450 cars before they would set foot in the track. Are they safe? The attention to detail. Now we carry that over here at E.C.D Automotive Design for attention to detail and safety and completeness and how correct the cars are to look when we're all done. And all the modifications we've done. I can't tell you how many modifications and improvement we've done here at E.C.D Automotive Design to an E-Type that, how could you improve it? Well, you got to come and check them out because we've improved them like you wouldn't believe.
As Mack so eloquently put it, the lessons learned on the racetrack translate seamlessly into our approach of modernising the E-Type here at E.C.D Automotive Design. Through our customisation process, we're able to offer over 2 million possible design combinations for our clients to choose from. We're ready to build your one-of-a-kind classic vehicle and modernise it with latest technology. From engine upgrades to suspension enhancements, we leave no stone unturned in our quest to preserve the heritage of these timeless classics, whilst infusing them with the latest technology and performance innovations. Whether you're looking for a powerful 6.2 V8 gasoline-powered engine or an all-electric vehicle, we have the expertise. And our upgrades don't stop with powertrain. Virtually everything in the vehicle can be customised, right down to the colour of the needle on your gauges. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and the future of our classic Jaguar E-Types. We're so proud and excited to have such a skilled and passionate team that have these vehicles in their blood, such as Mack. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just discovering the magic of these iconic cars, we invite you to experience the thrill of driving a modernised classic vehicle from E.C.D Automotive Design.